They said this level was sealed after the Great Flood of '76. 50 years of silence, hidden right under the city's feet.
I'm Mark, and at ZF Story Life, we don't just find cars. We find stories that were never meant to be told.
This 1967 Impala isn't just steel and rubber. It's a time capsule. And today, we're watching or so. But the frame is solid. It's like the car was but it's not just the car. Someone left a briefcase back here. A secret that stayed dark. Moving a 2-ton ghost out of a collapsing basement isn't easy. It takes precision, grit, and the right gear. For the first time in 5 decades, the sun hits this metal. She's rough, but she's beautiful. Welcome to the Ghost Garage. Here, we merge the legends of the past with the technology of tomorrow. Step 1. We strip away the years. We need to see the damage before we can build the dream. The map leads to the desert. The key leads to the truth. Let's get to work. This is
First, we peel back the layers of time. This laser isn't just cleaning metal, it's uncovering.
At ZF Story Life, we believe you have to break it down completely to build it back better. Every bolt has a story to tell. Out with the old. This cast iron heart served its purpose, but for what's coming next, we need something. 50 years underground takes a toll. But this frame is American steel. Tough, honest, and we're blasting away 5 decades of decay. Precision is everything when you're working on a masterpiece of this scale. A high-density power cell that will give this ghost more torque than it ever had in 1967.
We use 2026 technology to map out a 1960s icon. We're ensuring the motor alignment is perfect to the millimeter. While the guys work on the metal, I'm trying to solve the puzzle. Why was this car hidden? What was the owner's real mission? No detail is too small at ZF Story Life. If we can't find the original part, we restore the one we... The plan is set. We're building a sleeper that will shock the world. Stay tuned, because the ghosts. To hold 1,000 foot-pounds of instant torque, this frame needs more than just a repair. It needs Story Life. We fabricate what we can't buy. Custom brackets, custom mounts, everything is built to survive the transition. The heart of a 2026 hypercar sitting inside a 1967 legend. A perfect marriage of 2 different eras. The wiring is the nervous system. These orange cables carry enough power to light up a city block.
We're balancing the weight. By placing the batteries in the rear, we give this ghost a 50-50 distribution. She's gonna handle like a dream. 1960s suspension wasn't built for this kind of power. We're upgrading to active magnetic shocks for ultimate control. You can't have all that go without a lot of stop.
The car's original computer started talking to our new system. It's unlocking files we weren't supposed to see yet. This is the brain of the operation. At ZF Story Life, we code our own software to make sure the foundation is done. The ghost has a brain, a heart, and a spine. Next up, we give her back H. A ghost needs to be flawless. We're smoothing out 5 decades of battle scars to ensure the surface is as straight. Sanding is where the patience of ZF Story Life is tested. Hours of work for a few seconds to the sterile zone. In this room, dust is the enemy, and the ZF Story Life standard is the only law. First comes the primer, the foundation for the ghost's new skin. It seals the metal and prepares it for the magic. We're mixing a custom shade, Midnight Ghost Chrome. It looks black in the shadows, but under the sun, it reveals this is the moment of truth. The first layer of color brings the curves of this 1967 legend back to life. The clear coat is the shield. It gives the car that liquid look that ZF Story Life builds are famous for. We bake the finish at a constant temperature. This ensures the bond is permanent and the shine lasts. Final polish. We're removing every microscopic imperfection.
The ghost has her skin back.
Inside, we're going for timeless luxury. Custom-stitched leather that smells like a new Bentley but feels like 1967.
These aren't just seats, they're ergonomic thrones. Comfort is key when you're piloting a 1,000-horsepower ghost. We replace the old needles with a digital nerve center. It monitors battery health, motor temps, and the man and machine. It's light, It's precise, and it puts all that ZF Story Life power right in your palms. Since the motor is silent, we needed a sound system that could wake the dead. 2,000 watts of crystal clear audio. New glass, perfectly sealed. We're cutting out the wind noise so you can focus on the whistle of the electric motors. Ambient lighting is the final touch. It gives the cabin that spaceship vibe once the sun goes down.
The sync is complete. The car just unlocked its original mission files. Sealing the cabin. No leaks, no rattles. At ZF Story Life, the build quality has to be better than the factory original. She's ready. The cabin is perfect. The power is live. Now, there's only one thing left to do. Moment of truth. Booting up 1,000 horsepower. You don't hear a roar, you hear the future waking up.
Instant torque.
No lag, no gears, just raw, unadulterated ZF Story Life power hitting the pavement. After 50 years in the dark, the Ghost is back in the light. And she's never looked more dangerous. 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds, in a car that was built when man first landed on the moon. Let that sink in. The stopping power is just as violent as the acceleration. Carbon ceramics doing their job perfectly. The active suspension is reading the road 1,000 times a second. She handles like a modern supercar. At night, the Ghost truly comes alive. Silent, stealthy, and completely unmatched on these streets. But we're not just cruising. The car's original sensors are locked onto a signal. It's time to see where this journey really ends. 600 miles of range and a destination that doesn't exist on any official map. This is what we live for. We've reached the coordinates. Whatever is behind this gate is the reason this car was buried. Welcome to the finish line. 50 years of secrets, unlocked by a single piece of brass.
It's a graveyard of innovation. My grandfather wasn't just a mechanic.
We're downloading the blueprints. Hydrogen tech, solid-state batteries. The final piece of the puzzle. The Ghost is now fully optimized. She's no longer just a car. We're taking this technology back to the world. The legacy of ZF Story Life is finally out of the shadows. Zero emissions. Infinite power. This is how we honor the past while protecting our future. From a buried vault to the global stage. This build has changed everything. This car is a message. No matter how broken something is, with the right hands and a bit of heart,
one Ghost down, 1,000 more to find. The ZF Story Life journey continues in Russia. Are you ready?
ZF Story Life. Restoring the soul of the machine. Subscribe and join the crew.